Hi guys. So this video is not clickbait at all. I am just going to be, I haven't written down anything. I'm just going to be telling you guys how I feel about YouTube and where have I been, what has been going on. So the last video you saw of me, where's my phone, was the 31st of December 2019, and this is the first video that you've seen from me in over a month. Excuse me. I questioned whether or not I wanted to continue filming. I questioned whether or not I wanted to continue doing YouTube, and I'm going to be honest, Germany is the one that has been encouraging me to do YouTube. It's not lucrative for me, as I said before, you know, like I'm not making hella money from this as I once was, you know, in the days past, in years past rather. What I do, what's making me money now are the like hair reviews, you know. It has been a very long and hard road for me being a YouTuber, and just how everything is going for me, and I don't say distracted myself, but because this isn't going how I want it to, I have gone into other ventures. I don't know if you guys know, but I have restarted my fitness journey. I had a child emergency C-section. If you're new to my channel, you don't know, I don't know. And yes, so a month after I had our child, I started my journey. I started going to the hill. So I know I have been going to the gym now for about 2 months, two or 3 months, and I started with a trainer recently. Now that is different for me. I never thought I needed a trainer. I was doing what I wanted to do. I was doing what I knew how to do. But I'm telling you, man, having a trainer, it gives you that extra push. It gives you that extra oh gosh, I'm coming my heart under this rep. It gives you that extra push, well, for me anyway, and I absolutely love having a trainer. I actually showed him like the, oh, you guys can see, I actually showed him like the body. Let me go on my page. I actually showed him like the body that I want, and I asked him if this would be achievable, and he full on said yes it is. I'm like, okay, well, let's do this then. So this is my, oh my gosh, my fitness inspiration. Her name is Miss Pearl. I get, this is a 5-year difference. See how big her thighs are. I love that aesthetic. I just think it looks really sexy. Thick thighs, small waist, structured shoulder. I feel like it looks sexy. Now I don't know if my thighs will get as big as hers, because I started off with working out with some fat, you know, and she don't actually have like that much fat as I had. But yes, I asked if, you know, it's possible, and he said yes, and that's what I've been working on YouTube. I'm taking my time. I'm slowly coming back to YouTube. I got really annoyed with just makeup tutorials, I got really annoyed. I really did. And because I had one-on-one classes in Florida in January, so when I was posting on Instagram, people were like, oh, I hope there's a look. Oh my gosh, is there a look on this? Oh my gosh, is there a look? And I'm like, people still want to see tutorials. That's crazy to me, because it would seem as if everybody and their mama, honey, have a YouTube channel doing makeups. I'm like, okay, so I'm no longer needed, but I do agree there's a little niche for that. And you know, so with that being said, I will be doing looks. I love makeup, and I will not lie to you, every time I'm doing my makeup I'm like, yo, I really should be filming this, because I love doing makeup. I love how it makes me feel. I love makeup. I love makeup. I love fitness. I love it. So I'm slowly coming back to YouTube, but I am going to say this again, I really hit like, oh my god, I can't be bothered. Oh my god, I can't be bothered. And Jeremy had to say, babe, aren't you going to film today? Why haven't you been filming? What's going on? It's just when you set goals for yourself and you see them not being achieved, it is very, very daunting. And my 30 34th birthday, it really put things into perspective for me. Because if you're like me, whenever you have a birthday coming up, you reflect on what you've accomplished so far. As far as my YouTube channel, I really thought I'd have been further along by this. But let me just encourage myself in the midst of this. It's, yes, you want to see growth. And I'm talking to me and you. Yes, you want to see growth. Yes, you want to make headway. Yes, you want to see positive changes. But that doesn't mean you should stop doing what you're doing, because it would seem as if that's not what's happening. You know what I mean? People always ask me, yo, should I start a YouTube channel? Should I start a YouTube channel? I'm like, yeah, because I guarantee you, once you start, you'll have at least one person praising you for your channel, because they are being encouraged, praising you for your channel, because if you can do it, even though they don't know you, they can do it. We encourage each other. And I find that as human beings, we want to be encouraged. We want to be told that we can do this. We want to be challenged, and we want to overcome those challenges. We want that, you know. And where I would say social media is bad is when we see other people progressing and we think, oh my god, I can never do that, and then we get into ourselves, then we get depressed. That's what I think anyway. That's how I think. So I'm saying that to say, again, I'm going to take my time to come back to YouTube, to come back to doing the tutorials for you guys. But today I'm going to film 4 videos today, and I'm going to have this same makeup look, but I probably just changed my headband because a lot of talking has to take place. So I'm coming back slowly, and I really, when I get to that point again and let you guys know that I really don't want to film, I promise I'm going to fight through it. I'm going to fight through it. I'm going to fight through it, even if it's just for the constant 2,000 of it that's always watching. I'm going to fight through it. I'm going to push through it. A lot has been happening to me as well personally, a lot. Like a shit ton. My 2020 started off with I'm like, can we do this over? Can we start 2020 in February? Because my 2020 didn't start who I wanted it to, you know. So I even have those things that I've dealt with, still dealing with. So a lot has been happening to me personally behind the scenes that I'm not posting about. You know, what I do post about a lot is my fitness journey, my workouts. I started a new page, Lyric Works Out, and that has just been taking my mind off of everything, even if it's just for a moment. But as I say, when I get into that funk again, you guys, I'm going to push through. Even if it means just doing a look and just playing music and not necessarily doing a voiceover where I have to hear my melancholy voice, you know, I'm going to push through. It's 2020, year of vision, year of the man, year of change, year of stability. I'm going to push through. I can't continue to allow my emotions to run my God almighty life like it's running shit right now. And I can't continue like that. I have major plans for my 35th birthday this year, 2020, and I really want to take you guys along with me on that journey. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'll be vlogging, but on this channel, my Lyric Uncut channel has been flagged or demonetized, so I do not make money from those videos, and I'm sorry, but if I post there, it's just because whatever, but I'll be definitely posting my vlogs on here. So, and that will allow me to kind of vamp up this page a little bit, give me a little bit, you know, give me a little bit of something to go off of for now. So I will be vlogging on here on my LyricRochester channel, and I really want to thank you for your patience, thank you for your prayers. There was an earthquake the other day. My family and I, where we were not affected. We felt a tremor, not like an earthquake, but we felt like a tremor. Well, Jermaine did. I saw him moving in the couch. I didn't feel nothing because I was walking, standing, or whatever. But yeah, I'm being fine, and I want to thank you for your patience, your prayers, your words of encouragement. I got a phone call from a subscriber because I think I sold her something, and you know, we'll have to give her my number so we can stay in contact. Hey, I'm coming to deliver so and so, and she come, it's just a lyric, and then I do YouTube lyric, no lyric channel that because there's a vibe, and she just, I'm like, I mean, I didn't need that, but I needed it. As in, I didn't need it to make a video, but I needed it for me, you know. And yeah, so slowly but surely I will be doing vlogs and these videos. I really want to minimize the amount of makeup looks that I do. I'll only do it if I feel I should do it, or if I post a look on IG and you guys love it, I'm like, alright, let me just go ahead and film. Yeah, so this is enough. The next video that you guys will be seeing from me is like another talking video. Yeah, this is it. This is it. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video, which will be this makeup tutorial, full makeup tutorial, start to finish, voiceover. It's probably gonna be 30-45 minutes, but I've been gone for a long time, so I hope you guys like it. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video.